possible. He runs a finger across the casing, revealing the dull aluminum. The engine casing is not cracked. He lifts the seat slowly away from the frame.
Installing new brake shoes, return springs, and the brake cam mechanism ensures safe stopping performance once the Vespa returns to the road. Some improvers. With the Vespa completely dismantled, the bare steel body shell is now ready for one of the most dramatic stages of the restoration.
Bientôt le temps, il en revient dans l'ordi.
All right, primer coat processing complete. Just need to inspect it now. Okay, that's better. Just a bit more here to make it flush. Perfect. Ready for sanding now?
The mechanic prepares automotive body filler, mixing the compound with hardener. He spreads a thin layer of filler across the repaired areas.
With steady strokes, the mechanic begins sanding the
Crucial step in body restoration. Block steady strutting in the filler patches.
elegance. Wearing a respirator mask, the mechanic begins spraying. A fine mist of soft gray primer spreads across the Vespa frame.
The sanding block glides across the leg shield, leaving gray residue behind. The mechanic wipes the surface with a clean.
The mechanic begins wet sanding the primed surface with gentle pressure. He works methodically across the The mechanic begins spraying the clear coat. It flows smoothly over the fresh sea green paint, instantly intense. With a socket wrench, he tightens the mounting hardware until the engine sits firmly in place.
He installs the wheel nuts, tightening them evenly in a cross pattern. Using a torque wrench, he secures the fasteners to the correct spot.
He tightens the final connector and secures the wiring clips neatly along the frame. The Vespa's electrical system is now fully restored. Working patiently, he feeds the wires through the narrow internal passages. Using small connectors and
Using a socket wrench, the mechanic tightens the bolts that secure the seat bracket to the body shell. The seat settles firmly into place. The engine coughs, then roars to life. Decades of silence broken. The mechanical heart beats once again.